Are you looking for a new way to capture qualified leads and grow your business? Look no further. This video will show you a revolutionary AI app that can help you generate leads without spending hours creating videos. Discover how this automated video lead generation tool can save you time and money, while still providing high-quality results. See how AI technology is the key to finding the perfect prospects and making more sales. Watch the video to the end. You can also visit the link in the description box for more details. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Eliminate the time and money it takes to run a successful video lead generation agency. ClickagencyA.I is a unique AI app that helps you do that by running an entire video lead generation agency for you from scratch. ClickagencyA.I is the only tool to create full-congruent lead campaigns in any niche for clients, land clients with Agency AI lead campaigns and materials, and manage the clients with built-in agency portal technology. Just enter a keyword and quickly auto-build video campaigns with copy, pages, video ads, AI images, lead magnets, and more. Create sales-driving campaigns in minutes with this powerful tool. Automate the process of creating high-converting campaigns with copy, pages, video ads, AI images, lead magnets, and more all in one place. Start building high-converting campaigns now with Unique A.I App, the first all-in-one AI tool that runs a lead generation marketing agency for you. Plus, create, use, and sell individual marketing materials like landing pages, AI art, ads, YouTube videos, and more in just a click with powerful AI tech. No monthly or yearly fees. Builds fully congruent video campaigns in a click. Auto gets clients for you with AI. Auto submit AdWords or Facebook ads. Create any lead marketing material. AI lead magnet creation. Video ad creation PPC. Agency portal technology. Create agency materials. Includes DFY templates. Includes PPC training. Includes GPT-4 new video script tech. ClickagencyA.I works in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword. Enter a keyword and ClickagencyA.I will go to work creating a high-converting lead campaign and amazing marketing materials entirely for you. Step 2. Preview and customize your already finished campaign. Preview all the marketing materials ClickagencyA.I created for you. The AI assistant creates video-led campaigns and marketing materials for clients in any niche. Step 3. Customize if you want. Everything the AI creates is fully customizable with drag-and-drop technology. Step 4. Auto-submit and get paid. Auto-submit any lead campaign to Facebook or AdWords Ads Manager in a click. In seconds, let AI create VSL and video ads, cloud landing pages, articles and email copy, lead magnets, image ads, YouTube videos, proposals and letterheads, generated images, press releases, business cards, social graphics, and far more. Visit the link in the description to watch how easy it is to use ClickagencyA.I.